Okie dokie guys, it's WednesYAAAAY and it's time for another ArtistBoozey video. We are going to be doing a simple little graffiti character that looks like yours truly. Got some fine liners here and my outline and a bang to get that freaking, what do you call it? Energy! Let's go.
Alrighty, voiceover Boozey, getting them base colors on my hair. A lovely little brown, a light brown, so we can go in with some darker detailed brown later. Some gray shirt. Gotta love our neutral colors, it'll match anything. These markers were pretty cheap. I don't know where I got them. My mom got them for me for a surprise. They were cheap on like Wish or something, and I love them. For base coats, getting some shadows on the skin and the hands. Gotta get them round cheeks, because I got baby cheeks. Little baby BOOZ. Doing marker stuff is so awesome because you can literally take one color and do it, and then when it dries you can go in again and it'll dry lighter than it actually looks, so you can get some shadows and stuff and get that realism effect. Although this isn't supposed to look super real because it is graffiti and it is cartoon, but you know how I like to do it around here. I took a white pencil and got some highlights in, and then I took a brown pencil over top of that so there wasn't a whole lot of highlights. Now some fine lining. Them thick, bold, juicy lines, baby. I love a bold outline because I have a shaky hand, and when you do thin lines, it shows every mistake. Let's just be honest around here. Some shoe beads. And a little shadow. Now I'm putting some glue on the chain because I want to add glitter, because you know I love the splash of shine, baby. Ooh, so shiny.
Okay guys, change of scenery. This is the original wall where I first started doing my intros, but now that my desk is built, I really like the looks of that. But since we're doing graffiti, let's get some of my graffiti stuff out, like my spray cans and all that. So welcome to the old wall I redecorated, and let's show you the final result, shall we? Graffiti me! It's so cute. Graffiti's a lot harder than it looks. I love graffiti. I want to get back into it, but it's a little bit difficult because I have anxiety and I don't like to leave anywhere, and I don't want to go to a public place and try it. So I want to do what Smo Nova did and build one in my backyard eventually. I think that would be really cool. So that's a future project, and probably in years to come. I probably won't get to it anytime soon, but I really want to do that and do some graffiti videos. I think it would be neat. So if you like today's video, please like and subscribe, and come back every Wednesday for some more artsy-fartsy fun. Thank you.